Hey my people, you know it's Chikomika cooking Jamaica style. Now I've grilled lobster. Grilled lobster, eh? Grilled lobster tastes very, very well. I love grilled lobster. This is curry goat. Eh? Master curry goat, master curry goat, eh? See now this is very, very delicious and this is saltfish. Saltfish with green peppers, hot peppers, onion and stuff like that. And you know this is the ingredients for the sour sap. The sour sap juice. That is sour sap juice right there. Right there you have the sour sap juice, eh? Uh-huh. And this is the lobster right there. This is some vegetables, onion, tomatoes, stuff like that. And this is some burger beef, the beef patties. And I love my boiled eggs. There's nothing to me like boiled eggs and tea. And this is some, what do you call this one again? What do you call this one again? What do you call this one? Conch. This one is conch. And this one is fish, fried fish. Escoffice is fish festival. I love this. I love this one. I love this one. This is some French fried chicken, rice and red beans, some vegetables. This is rondong, salsa mackerel rondong with corn meat dumpling, sweet potatoes, all sorts of stuff. This is rice and peas, Jamaica style, fine style. This is some chicken pasta, rondong. This is rondong, boiling, popping hot, in coconut milk, and the dumplings, sweet potatoes, yam, very, very delicious. This is burger from scratch with cucumbers. I love cucumber. I love ripe plantains. And I'm frying some chicken right here. Sometimes I like it in a deep fry, but sometimes I prefer in the pot. Deep fry, it takes a lot of oil, and it is very, very hard to wash after using. It is hard, so I hardly use this thing now. I rather use the pot. Less oil, less work, less everything. So this is where I'm, letting my chicken soak. This is some brown stew chicken. That is curry. I don't remember curry what it is. And this is steamed fish right here. Steamed fish with crackers, carrot, very, very spicy and delicious, And that is the white rice over there. This is some grilled lobster again. I love grilled lobster. I love the taste of the grilled lobster. I rather the grilled lobster. I rather when the lobster is grilled than any other way. This is homemade burger again with French fried chicken. Sometimes I don't want to go out. I rather to make my own burger. I rather to make my own burger. This is some white rice, kidney, some leftovers of franks, and ackee and saltfish. This is cornmeal porridge, Jamaica style. And everyone's know cornmeal porridge now. Every child in Jamaica grow on cornmeal porridge. This is some spaghetti and franks. And this one is my boiled egg and crackers with a piece of franks right there, my dinner. Hey, good one. This is a very nice one. This is a very nice one right here. And this is where I was preparing seafood boil. My sauce is over there. This is baked chicken with curry lobster, rice and beans, plantain. And this is where I was boiling my food for my corns and stuff for the seafood boil. I boil it separate, the egg separate, the corn separate. This is some oxtail. and rice and bean, lettuce and stuff. This is called food and French fried chicken. I love comfort people. I love comfort ripe plantain over there. This is some home style chicken. This is burger that I prepared from scratch, and this is what this one called again? I don't even remember. I love boiled eggs that I said before. And this is some grilled lobster, burger, French fries. I prepared that one. All of this I prepared as a matter of fact. This is roast breadfruit and saltfish. This is called chicken, plantain, white rice. This is oxtail with homestyle chicken, eggs, curry chicken, rice and beans, mashed potatoes. This is some soup and mangoes. The only time I eat soup, the only time I drink soup is when I'm feeling sick. I don't like soup. I know it's good for me, but I don't like soup. And this is baked beans with saltfish and rice and sweet corn. And this is my next favorite, spaghetti and meatball. I love spaghetti real bad. This is some kidney and rice and sweet corn. And this is sardine, rice, festival, and baked chicken. And this is what I used to prepare my spaghetti. This is baked chicken and spaghetti again. I love spaghetti. I love spaghetti.